All right, let's get into part 2 of my narcissistic series. If you feel called, go back for part 1. If not, let's roll. Before you even knew what confidence was, yours was already being shaped, or more accurately, interrupted. Confidence isn't something you're born holding permanently. It's something that forms through reinforcement, through safety, through being allowed to try, fail, learn, and try again without fear of emotional consequences. But when you're raised by a narcissistic mother, confidence becomes a threat to the system, because confidence leads to independence, and independence reduces control. So instead of your confidence being nurtured, it was quietly destabilized. Not always in obvious ways, not always through direct insults. Sometimes it was subtle. Sometimes it sounded like concern. Sometimes it was disguised as protection. She was big on, I'm protecting you. You'd express interest in something, and instead of encouragement, you'd get doubt. That's going to be really hard. Are you sure you can handle that? Maybe that's not for you. Not enough to sound abusive, just enough to plant hesitation. And hesitation is all it takes. Because when you're a child, you don't have a fully formed internal compass yet. You look to your parent to help define what's possible for you. So when the person who's supposed to reinforce your capability instead introduces doubt, your nervous system absorbs that information as truth. You start questioning yourself before you even fucking begin. You start shrinking your own expansion before it had a chance to fully form. And when you did succeed, it was often minimized. Your accomplishments weren't fully acknowledged. They were passed by quickly, or the focus shifted somewhere else. The reinforcement never landed. And when you struggled, that's when the attention came in stronger. Not always with support, sometimes with criticism, sometimes with frustration, sometimes with disappointment that made you feel like your struggle was a fucking burden. So your nervous system learned something very specific. It learned that trying carried risk, not physical risk, emotional risk. Risk of disapproval, risk of withdrawal, risk of destabilizing the emotional environment. So you adapted. You started playing smaller. You started second guessing yourself. You started looking outward for validation instead of building it internally. Not because you were weak, because the environment trained you to disconnect from your own internal authority. Confidence requires safety to develop. It requires space to explore without fear of emotional punishment. It requires reinforcement that tells your nervous system you are capable, you are allowed to grow, you are allowed to expand. But when that reinforcement is inconsistent, absent, or replaced with subtle destabilization, confidence doesn't disappear. It just goes dormant. It waits, because confidence isn't destroyed, it's suppressed. And later in life, when you start stepping into yourself again, you'll notice something strange. Part of you knows exactly who the fuck you are, and another part of you hesitates for no logical reason. That hesitation isn't random. It's the conditioning. It's the programming. You were trained. It's the echo of early destabilization that taught your nervous system that expansion wasn't safe. Part of breaking out of this system is recognizing that the hesitation was installed. It wasn't born with you, it was taught. And anything that was taught can be unfucking taught. And I'm here to teach you how to undo it. This is where you begin reclaiming your internal authority by removing the interface that taught you not to trust who you already are. 420 on that timer. I'm coming in with that Lilith energy today. If you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons. Leave me a comment. Does this hit? Does this resonate? God gave you phalanges. Use them. Talk. Articulate. Open that throat chakra. Even if you're typing words, it's still speaking truth. So let this be a container for you to express yourself freely without fucking judgment. 444 on that timer. Divinely guided, divinely protected. Come back for part 3.